3 by 3? Ah, tasty goodness. Now, if you thought solving a 3 by 3 system of equations was fun, just wait till we add 2 more columns to that. Ding, ding. So here's the setup. We're going to take our 3 by 3 and tack on the 3 by 3 identity matrix. I know. Yeah, we're 1/9 done. Hooray! So where that 4 is at, because again we're concentrating on the first column, we need a 0. So what should we multiply our 1 by? -4. -4 row 1 plus row 2 makes the new row 2. Which rows don't change? First and last. Fill them in, fill them in. It's from Glade. But it's a spoof, so they can't sue me. Well, if I made fun of Apple, they would sue me. I'm sorry, Steve Jobs. What is -4 times the first row? -4. Yeah. I'm writing them like that because I'd run out of room if I try to go across. So taking those 6 entries and adding them to the second row, what do we get?
0, 1, 9, and 4, 1, 0.
Very good. Those are your evening lottery numbers. Play those. Good luck playing the -1 and the -4. Where that 3 is at, we need a 0. Use our 1 in that column. What's the operation?
You get 3R1 plus R3.
Who's having fun? I know, you could hardly contain it. The first 2 rows do not change. You're actually going to see in a second that this is actually a really nice problem, and that I use the word actually twice in one sentence. Sorry about that, I always do that. What is -3 times the first row? Taking those 6 numbers and adding to the corresponding entries in the last row, we get careful, 0, 0, more careful, -5 plus 6, 1. Then keep going. Oh my, look how nice. Because these guys are 0s and that guy's a 1, we won't need to add anything. Keep our 1 here. So that just saved us 2 steps. I could have saved you 9 steps and just given you the answer, but that'd be too easy. First column is done, move on to the second column. If you want to make your 1 first, great. If you want to make your 0 first, nice too if you want to make your 0 first. So if you would, do the 2 steps necessary to complete that second column. And just like last time, our intermediate step may be different, but the final result will be the same. And notice you're not modifying the last row, so I'm just writing this in. All right, so what do you want to get rid of first, the 0 or the 1? Or what do you want to do for a 0 or the 1? 1, how do we make this into a 1? There it is. So the first row will not change in this instance. They also have a version of this where it comes with a little tablet where I could pass it along around the room and you guys would write and it would appear on the board. Danger! How much fun would that be? It wouldn't. So multiply the second row by -1, we get 0, 1, -9, 4, -1, 0. All the signs, not the flyings, that's something else. All the signs just flip. And how do we make that 2 into a 0? Plus R1. So that does not change the last 2 rows. What is -2 times the second row?
0.
Close. Yep. 18. Oh my. -8. Good. Taking those entries and adding them to the corresponding entries in the first row, we get 1, 0, 16. -7, 2, 0. We have 2 more steps and then we're done with this process. I know. We're almost done. What are those 2 we have to do next?
2 zeros.
Yeah, 2 zeros where the 16 and the -9 are. I don't know if I can fit this in, so I might erase and move it up. Does everyone have everything up to now? Just doing the bottom? Okay. Then I'll try to fit it in without erasing. All right, let's get rid of that 16 first by multiplying the last row by -16. Row 3 plus row 1 makes the new row 1. So this last 2 rows will not change. 16's a huge number. I know. It's going to be okay. What is -16 times the last row? I'll do the first couple. Ah, so tired. 48.
0,
-16.
or -16.
Is that okay? Adding those 6 to the first row, we get our 1, 0, 0 like we wanted. Then what? 41, 2, and -16. One more step. 41 there, yes. Right there. What's left?
0 to -9.
Yep, so what's the operation?
9 times R3 plus R2.
Good. I'll just close that. The first and the last row will not change. I'm going to put 9 times the last row down here, if that's okay. So 9 times 0 is 0, times another 0 is 0. 9, negative 27, 0, and 9. Take those 6 numbers and add it to the second row. What do we get? 0, 1, 0 like we need. And then negative 23, negative 1, 9. Hooray!